Hello, good morning to all of you. Our next topic is selection of V belts. This is the last topic of your design of belts and pulleys. So, in case of selection of V belts, we will start with first of all terminology of V belts. So, in case of V belt, there are two types of belts are used. One is flat belt and V belt. So far, we have discussed about the flat belt. So now there are basic terminology, basic notations that are used for the dimensions of the cross section. Your pitch width is the WP, as it is shown that it is the built of width of the belt at its pitch zone. This is the basic dimension for standardization of the belt. And normal top width, it is the top width of the trapezoidal outline in the cross section. This is W, nominal. And nominal height, it is the height of the trapezium outline in the cross section of the belt. This is nominal. Angle of belt, this is V belt drive. Nominal angle will be given to you. And it is the length of the pitch line of the belt. This is the circumferential length of the belt at the pitch width. These are the basic notations that are used in V belts. So, according to Manufacturer and Bureau of Indian Standard, have standardized the dimension of cross section. The cross-section dimensions are given in the table 13.12. There are 6 basic symbols Z, A, B, C, D and E for the cross-section of V welds. Out of these, Z section belts are occasionally used for low power transmission and smaller pulley diameter, whereas A, B, C, D, E are used as for general purpose. Also, your B belts are designated by the symbol of cross section followed by nominal pitch length along with symbol LP. Suppose there is a V belt of cross section V. There are 6 cross sections Z, A, B, C, D. If the cross section is given V and width wide with pitch length is 4430, then it is designated as V4430LP. So in this symbol, V represent the cross section and 4430 is the pitch length and uh, value is given. So if the cross section is DE, different cross section and length is given, then you can designate that cross section of the beam in that manner. Next is the section. First criteria is the selection of cross section of belt. That depends on the two factors. First is the your design power, and second one is the speed of the faster shaft. According to that, you will design the shaft, whether it is a type, B type, C type, that is the belt cross section. So your belt cross section is decided from the design power and speed of the faster shaft. So in practice, the designer, the selection of cross section depends on the two parameters, that is the power transmitted and speed of the faster shaft. So in selection of this is the designer has to select a V belt from the catalog. So following information is required: type of driving unit, type of driven unit, operational hours per day, power to be transmitted, input and output speed, and approximate distance between the availability of the speed. These parameters is required. The basic procedure for the selection of V belt consists of following steps. So first of all, in the first step, you have to determine the correction factor. That is service, according to service, whether your machine is used for 24 hours, 48 8 hours, or 12 hours, 16 hours, and type of driving and driven unit. According to that, you will select the parameter, that is the correction factor FA. So calculate the design power by the following relation, that is transmitted power is given and FA is calculated from the table. From that you can calculate the design power. Now in this case, you have given the type of driving unit, that is induction motor, single phase, or DC motor, or multi-cylinder IC engine. So here also operational hours are given: 0 to 10, 10 to 16, 16 to 24, and type of duty, that is this application will be given to you in numerical, whether it is used for blower, centrifugal, and operational hours per day. According to that, you will select the value of this variable. This variable is the your uh, correction factor according to the service, that is FA. So you will select F, the value of FA from table. Suppose your working hour is given 24 hours and it is given that induction single phase. So and also it is given that fans over 7.5 kilowatt. So in this case you will select this parameter as 1.4. So according to the operational hours and type of driving and driven unit, you will select the value of FA. So next is plot a point with design power as x coordinate and input speed as y coordinate in figure. The location of this point decides the type of cross section of the belt. So if in a borderline case, the point located in the borderline, alternative calculations are performed to find out the best cross section. So I will discuss briefly. So at this point in the numerical problem, it is given that the design power is suppose 7 kilowatt and speed of the faster pulley is 5,000. So if it is 5,000 and this, according to that, you will select a cross section of the belt is A. So you will select the cross section of the belt by considering the design power and the speed of the faster shaft. So once you have selected the type of the belt, next step is you have to calculate the recommended pitch diameter of the pulley, smaller pulley from table. It depends on the cross section of the belt. So if the cross section of the belt is given, suppose we have selected that is a A-type belt. So according to that, this is recommended minimum pitch diameter. This is 125. If it is a A-type, if it is Z-type, minimum pitch diameter is 85. So we will select the value of minimum pitch diameter from this table according to the cross section of the belt. So we have calculated the diameter of the smaller pulley. Now speed of the driving and driven pulley will be given to you. According to that, you can select the diameter of the bigger pulley. Now once you have selected the diameter of the smaller and bigger pulley, now you have to compare it with the this table. That is, if B type pulley is given, B type cross section of the belt is given, and if the value of diameter is coming, suppose 180, suppose value is coming 185, we will select 180. If the diameter of the larger pulley is suppose coming out 580, we will select 560 or 600. So we have to select the preferred pitch diameter of the pulley according to that. In the next step, we have to calculate the length of the belt. Length of the belt will be calculated, center distance is known, diameter is known. Now, once we have calculated this length, then we have to compare with this table, that is 13.4, that is nominal pitch length. If it is a type and your value is coming 1440, so it is near to 1430. So the nominal pitch length is this much, 1430. Now we will substitute the value of this pitch length into this expression in order to calculate the value of C, which is the center distance. So then we have to determine the correction factor for the belt pitch length. From this, it depends on the type of cross section and pitch length of the belt. Now this is belt cross section is given, A, pitch length is given. According to that, you will select the correction factor for belt pitch length. Also calculate the arc of contact for the smaller pulley by the following relation. That is, angle of contact will be given to you. According to that, you will select the correction factor FD. If angle is coming out 148, your value of correction factor is 1.92. If the angle is 136, your value is 0.88. So depending on the type of cross section, table 13.0 determine the power rating of the belt. So this power rating table is for the B section. For the B section, first of all, you have to select the speed of faster shaft. Your speed of the faster shaft is, that is speed of the faster shaft is given. That is, if it is the speed of the faster shaft is 720, this is 1000, and it's that is the pitch diameter power, this is the pitch diameter 170. If speed is given 600, pitch diameter is given 160. So according to that, this power rating is 2.14. Now additional power increment for speed ratio. If the speed ratio is coming out to be, suppose it is coming out to be 1.5, 1.5. It is lying in this range. So according to 600, now this value is 0.15. So we will add this value in 2.14. This is the power which is PR, which is the variable. So this is all about the design, selection of V belt and design of the V belt. Now we will discuss one numerical problem. So the data is given for the V belt. Diameter of the driving pulley is 200 mm. Diameter of driven pulley is 600. Groove angle for sheaves is 34 degree. And mass of the belt is given. Permissible tension is given. And coefficient of friction, angle of contact for smaller pulley, speed of smaller pulley, and power to be transmitted. How many belts should be used, assuming each belt takes its proportional part of the load. So first of all, your parameter is f alpha divided by sine theta by 2. That is T1 by T2 equal to e raised power mu f alpha sine theta by 2. So first of all, we will calculate this parameter. Then we will calculate the velocity of the belt, which is given by pi dn by 60. Now we have calculated the velocity. Now we will calculate the centrifugal force, that is mv square. Now we will substitute back into the expression for ratio of driving tension, that is P1 minus P1 minus mv square by PV2 minus mv square E f alpha sine theta by 2. In this equation, two unknown variables, that is P1 and P2. So one equation, power transmission is given, that is 10 kilowatts. From this expression, there is one equation will form. So there are two equations. One is P1 minus 6.52 P2 plus 627.61 equal to 0. And second equation is P1 minus P2 minus 663 equal to 0. So by solving these two equations simultaneously, you will calculate the value of P1 and P2. So number of belts required is maximum tension in the belt and allowable. Maximum tension is 896 and allowable is 500. From that you can calculate the number of belts, which is 2. Now we will discuss one more numerical problem. It is required to design a V-belt drive to connect a 7.5 kilowatt at 1440 RPM induction motor to the fan running at 480 RPM for a service of 24 hours per day. Space is available for a center distance. So you have given induction motor and running at approximate 1480. Service life is 24 hours per day. Drive to connect a 7.5 kilowatt. So first of all, we will check the correction factor. That is the according to service correction factor according to service. We will move to table 13.15. If you can see this table, your motor is induction motor. This is your induction motor, and operational hours is 24, and it is a fan up to 7.5 kilowatt power transmission. Fan over 7.5 is there and fan up to 7.5. So it is a factor is 1.3. So we have calculated the factor depending on the surface life, that is FA. I think it is clear. So we have selected this parameter is 1.3. So design power is FA into transmitted power. Your transmitted power is 7.5. So this value comes out to be 9.75 kilowatt. Now power is 99.75 kilowatt and RPM is 1440. So from this we will select the type of belt by using these two variables. Now if you see that it is 9.75, it is approximately around here, and 1440, that is lying in this range. So the cross section of the belt is, that is B type. So therefore the cross section of the B belt is B type. So once we have selected the V belt, that is a B type of cross section. So from B type of cross section you can predict the that is B type. It means minimum pitch circle diameter of smaller pulley, that is 200 mm. So we have picked up the diameter for the B type of belt. This value is minimum pitch circle diameter for the smaller pulley is 200. Now speed ratio is 1440 and running at approximate 480. So it means speed ratio is 3. So you can calculate the diameter of the larger pulley, which is 600 mm. Now you will compare these values of diameter with the table which is provided for diameter, preferred pitch diameter. It is B type of belt having cross section 200 and 600 is lying in this table. If value is other than this value, that is 200, instead of 200 is 195, you will select 200. If instead of 600 it is 540, you will select 530 or 560 depending upon the variable. So we will select the value. Now next, in the next step, you will calculate the pitch length of the belt, which is given by this expression. You will substitute the value of C, which is 1 meter, and also we have calculated the diameter of driving and driven pulley. So once we will substitute these values, so the pitch length of the belt is 3296.64 mm. Now we will go back to the type of belt, that is B type. Pitch length of the belt is 3200. It is lying between 32 and 3600, 32 some 3270 something like that. So it is close to 3200. So we will select the pitch length of the belt is 3200 mm, that is 3200 mm. Pitch length of the belt is, now we will substitute this 3200 mm in this expression for the pitch length of the belt, and d and small d and capital D are given, and you will calculate the corrected center distance between the two pulleys. So by substituting 3200 in this expression, we will calculate the value of C. So corrected center distance is 95.64 mm. So correction factor for belt pitch length FC, that is, we will move to table 13.21. Now it is a B type 3200. This correction factor is 1.08. So it is a B type cross section. In B type diameter, this is the pitch length of 3200. So according to this is 1.08. So we have noted the correction factor for belt pitch length. This is 1.08. Now we will calculate the alpha s. This is the angle on the smaller pulley. This is a smaller pulley. So once you will calculate angle, this is coming out at 156 degree. So this angle is around 156 degree. So this angle is 156 is lying between, this is 154 to this value. So according to that, this correction factor is lying around 0.94. So this correction factor is taken as for the angle on the smaller pulley is 0.94. Now power rating of single belt can be calculated from the table. For these three parameters are required: RPM, diameter of the pulley, and section of the and the speed ratio. So we will move to 13.37. 1440. Diameter of the pulley is 200. So this value 1440 is the speed of faster pulley, and diameter of the smaller pulley pitch circle diameter. This is 200. So it means this value is 5.90. Now this value is 5.90. Now for additional power, belt speed ratio is 3. It means 2 and more. This is 5.90 and speed ratio is 0.46. So we will add this additional 0.46 in this 5.90. So this table is selected according to the type of cross section. If it is A section, for A section you will check value here. For these three parameters are required: speed of faster pulley, pitch circle diameter, and the speed ratio. From this you can calculate 5.90 plus 0.46. It is 6.36. So this value comes out to be 6.36 kilowatt. Now you can calculate the number of belts by using this expression, that is P into FA, PR, FC into FD. These are the parameters which we have calculated. So number of belts are 2. Thank you very much for your attention. Thanks.